Oh, I've been doing this on camera the whole time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I am T with Jackie P. I film videos every week. I film food, DIYs, reviews, and other random things. So if you like videos like that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and we will be friends. So in today's video, I wanted to recreate this pink eyeshadow look that I did for work for pink Christmas. So I guess this is like a pink Christmas tutorial. This look is actually super easy, I feel like, or at least easy for me, and I am not a makeup pro whatsoever. I did use a James Charles palette. That is actually one of my go-to palettes now. It's my favorite. I didn't think I would love such a colorful palette, but I really do, and I feel like it's really helped me like get out of my comfort zone with just neutral eyeshadow looks. Honestly, I do love a good neutral look still, but I feel like it's really helping me expand my makeup skills. And yes, so if you guys want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, crystals and all, keep watching and we will just get into the video. Okay, so we will just get started. I look like a fetus. Also, I have tape on the side of my eye. It's just a lot easier than me having to go in and clean it up afterwards and not get like a precise line, and it just makes cleanup way easier for me. So yes. So I'm going to use the Morphe James Charles palette for this pink look. I am just going to use the color Canvas, and I'm going to just use this as my all over lid color to kind of just set down my eyelid primer. I already primed my eyelids before I turned the camera on, so. And this is just like a natural shade that's kind of a little bit lighter than my skin tone. And now as my transition shade, I'm just gonna go in lightly with the color Punch Me, which the names are so funny, I'm sorry. It's just like a brown taupey color. You're not really gonna see much of this color anyway, like with the rest of the look, but I just like to use this shade to kind of define the crease a little bit, and to kind of not just use all pink, just to kind of make it dimensional. Even though you don't really see this color, I feel like it still really helps create some shadow, because some of these pinks are super light. So now I'm going to use the color Pinkity Drinkity, and it's just like a light pink color, and we're just going to use that in the crease as well. And then I'm going to blend it down onto the eyelid a little bit. Now we're going to go in with the infamous Skip color. This is that neon pink shade. As you can see, it's very pigmented, and I'm just gonna go in the outer corner. We will kind of blend it towards the front, only in the crease area. So I'll just kind of use like windshield wiper motions where it's just back and forth, back and forth. And then when I go back to the outer corner part, I kind of do circles. So then now I'm gonna go into the color Love That, which is so weird to me. This is the one color in this palette that kind of confuses me. I use it a lot actually, and I actually really like this color a lot, so I'm not hating on this shade whatsoever. But for some reason, obviously looking at it now in certain lights, it does look like more of a magenta, like maroon color, but I swear to you, when I first used this, I thought it was purple, like a purple shade. But when I put it on my eyes, it ends up pink. So I'm gonna use this shade to kind of deepen out that area. It's more of a deeper toned pink, and with some purple in there. So it's just a different, interesting shade. Now I'm gonna go in with this just like Anastasia brush that came in the palette. I use the fluffier end, and I'm gonna go back into Pinkity Drinkity and kind of just blend the colors together a little bit. I'll go above the shade, the darker part underneath the brow bone a little bit. Sometimes people will like to do like a cut crease with like soft ochre or their favorite concealer. Sometimes I'll do that, but since I have so many folds in my eyelids that sometimes it can look messy. So I'm just gonna go in with that same like chubby eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna go in with the color Sister, which is like a shimmery, like nude pink color. And I'm gonna go over the eyelid in that empty space that I have created. But I'm gonna go in with this Ulta automatic eyeliner in the color Primrose. It's like a hot pink color. I don't even know if they make this anymore. So you can use whatever eyeliner you like. They know they have these in Urban Decay, has some nice pink colors. I'm just going to line my lower lash line with this pink. I'm not gonna leave it like this, but before I forget this step. So now I'm going to peel the tape off. I don't remember if I go up or down. So as you can see, there's still like a tape line right there, but I'm gonna cover that up with foundation. It's like a perfect line pretty much. You still kind of have to blend a little bit because it's a little harsh, but it gives you a good map for eyeliner or anything like that. So I will be back. I'm gonna go do my foundation and everything, and then we will be back. So I am back. I did my foundation. My lips are like foundation lips right now. I also put some eyeliner on and some winged liner. I'm going to put some blush on now. I'm going to use the color Doll Face by Tarte in the Amazonian Clay blush. This one is just like that nice pink flush. Apply that to the apples of my cheeks. I like to put it on the tip of my nose to look like I just like went skiing. Or maybe I'm sick, you know? Send me home. I am going to go in with some highlighter. This is just basic face stuff. This doesn't really have to do with the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go in with my Lancome Starlight Sparkle limited edition highlighter palette. And I'm going to use the color, what is this color? It says on the box, but not on the container. It's just this pink color. They sell it individually. I don't know the name of it. I think it's like Rose something. And just a nice pink highlight. And I'm just gonna apply that to the tops of my cheeks. One flings glitter everywhere though, honestly. That's the only issue I have with this one. There's some chunkier pieces in there and it just flings it everywhere into your hair. But other than that, like, whew, it's a good highlighter, like you can see it. And then I'm gonna go in with my new favorite highlighter, is the Amrezy highlighter. It's not really new, they just re-released it again. But I missed out the first time, so I bought it this time because I didn't want to miss out. And it's just more of a gold color. I'm just gonna top that with the Amrezy highlighter. Can't have too much highlight, you know. There is an exclusive color called Tulip Twinkle, and I love this color so much. It's so pretty. I don't know, it's like a gold pink reflect to the inner corner part of my eye. And kind of drag that towards the center of it. I don't know if you can see, I think I'm too far away. In the outer part of my eye. And then just kind of pat. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the new Fenty lip gloss in the color Fussy, but this is the newest shade. It looks very similar to the original one, but it is more pink. The other one is a little bit more like orangey, like peachy color, but this one's my favorite out of all three of them. This one is just so pretty. The piece de resistance of this eye makeup look is these little crystal stars that I purchased from Michaels in the scrapbooking section. Yes, I think this is what gave me like all the compliments on my eye makeup look, honestly. They're just called bling stickers. They already have like adhesive on them. They obviously will pop off so easy, but they stayed on for 8 hours. The bigger one closest to my eye. And then I just stuck it right there. And I took the medium size star and I stuck it right next to it. I didn't do 3, like I said, the little one does not stay on. So as you can see, the little stars, you can do it like the small star and then the big star, or whatever. You don't even have to add the stars. You can also wear fake eyelashes. I wore fake eyelashes the day of the makeup look that I did. So that was all for this makeup look. If you like this look, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos from me. And yes, so this is a little bit different out of my comfort zone. Like I say in all my videos, I don't wear a ton of color, and so this was one of the most colorful looks that I have ever done in my entire life, have worn in my entire life. I mean, I did some for Halloween, but I didn't film any of those because it was just a crazy week. But yes, so this is my take on a pink Christmas look. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Don't forget to give this video up. I'm just spitting everywhere. Oh, sorry. Let's start again, shall we? Hi guys!